Yo, what's up guys? You read the title. We're gonna be making a video for absolutely free. Then in this video, I'm gonna show you how to shoot the video. In the next video, I'll show you how to edit it. Then I'll have another video on how to do the thumbnail and how to actually upload it to YouTube. This is your full series to get started and blow up on YouTube. Let's go. Guys, if you want more content just like this, be sure to follow me over on Twitch. I stream on Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. On Thursdays, literally, this is all I do is I make YouTube content and I do design work all day on Thursday. So be sure to come over and hang out with me, twitch.tv/Dr. Heels. Now guys, as we get started, we're gonna be making a YouTube video for free using only what we have on hand. And for me, that is simply using my cell phone, some natural light, and actually I'll show you guys how to pretty up the video if you want to invest a little bit of money, but that is completely optional. But let's get to it. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is find a room with excellent lighting. And for me, that is my bedroom. The whole room is white and I have this giant window behind me. Now you wanna make sure that your light source, we're gonna be using a completely natural light source, something completely free. It's gonna be a window in your home and you want it to be the biggest window you have because it's gonna show the biggest, most diffused light. You always want your light larger because then it's more diffused, it's more natural, and it's a lot softer. It's also kind of handy to have a light in the background, kind of like this one, to work as your accent light. It just adds a little bit of interest to the shot. And so we're just gonna be using this room that I have right here. I'm gonna actually put my phone on the window in the cheapest way possible with painter's tape because listen, we're making streams look bomb on a budget. So we ain't going out buying a big expensive tripod. We got some masking tape that we bought at the Dollar General for $1.49. So now my phone is actually taped to the window. I'll include a picture right now so you can see what I'm looking at. I have my sheer curtain just kind of out of the way. I have the blind absolutely as low to the phone as I can get it because again, I want a soft, diffused light. The secret to this is not to have a really bright light, but have a consistent diffused light. Now, so this is what this setup looks like with simply my phone taped to the window, me standing in front of it, sitting on a stool that I have. I'm using the forward-facing camera so I can see myself and make sure the shot is good. This is the less quality camera. Actually, if you want a better quality, you can flip your phone over, use your rear camera, which will have a higher megapixel. But for me, for right now, this is fine. I can see and monitor myself, which is very important. For sound, I'm simply using an AirPod. I have AirPods on hand, so I use them. If you don't have them, you don't need them. If you have some sort of other headset that has a better mic or even a wired-in headset that has the little dangly mic, that will give you better audio than the phone itself. But again, if you don't have it, you don't need it. This is how you get a real quick shot. This is absolutely free. I have a light in the background. It's called an accent light. We turned it on just to have it. The one thing you can do if you want to invest a little bit of money, you can spend, I think it's like $15 for one of these LED panel lights. And so I have one. So let me turn it on real quick and so you can see the difference in this shot and this shot. And so this is just one single LED panel. I have it maxed out. The walls in here are white, so that helps. But I've just turned it on blue. I still have my accent light. I have the blue light now behind me and I could record and shoot multiple videos in here and the quality is really good. Now, if you want to see how I would edit this, be sure to click the video right here. If it's out, I'll make sure I have it linked up in that card. If it's not out, it'll be out 1 week after this video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you know when that video comes out and you can see how to edit your 100% free YouTube video for 100% free using free software, free tools. And we'll also be doing a video on how to make the thumbnail for this free video using free tools. And so you guys can get started on YouTube without spending a dime using only what you have on hand. And that is the whole point and purpose of this video series. And I hope that it helps you. If it did, leave me a comment down below. If you make a video using this style, I give you full permission to go ahead and link it. I may have to approve it because I'm sure YouTube will throw up a flag and call for spam and stuff. I will go in and approve that link if you make it using the tutorial from this video. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. Now that you've recorded that video on your phone, the next thing you're going to do is get that video to your computer. There are multiple ways to do it. You can do a USB cable. You can airdrop it if you're going Mac to iPhone. For me, I like to use Google Drive. So let's take a look at that. All right, so first thing you're going to do on your phone is you're going to open up the Google Drive app just like this. And you're going to click your little plus button to add a new image. I'm just going to click upload, photos and videos. And now I'm going to choose the videos that I actually want to upload. You can see my adorable kids right there. But the videos I'm going to go with are this one, and I'm pretty sure that is the only other one, but for safety, I'm going to go ahead and upload these as well. I'm just gonna click the upload button and you're gonna see they're gonna begin uploading directly to my Google Drive account. I will then log into Google Drive on my PC and download them directly out of there. Piece of cake. Okay, so now that you're on your homepage, first thing you want to do is you want to organize all of these videos. So I'm gonna go to Google Drive right here, and you can see all my videos are already here. There should be 5 videos actually. All right, so from right here, I'm just gonna right click, go to download. I'm just gonna do this to every single one of these, and then I'm gonna organize all of this so that all my stuff's together, and Google is gonna be like, I can't check that. It's cool, I uploaded it, I trust myself. All right, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually organize all this into your folder. So I have a folder right here, Dr. Heels YouTube, and I'm gonna go to videos, and I'm gonna go to raw, and that's where I actually record to. I'm gonna create a new folder specifically for this video we're working on right now. So this is, I'm gonna actually make a subfolder. So this is gonna be my YouTube series. And then within that, I'm gonna have a folder for this specific video. So from here, we're just gonna go to our downloads. That's where all this should have went. We're gonna right click and click open in new window. And now all of our videos should be right here. And here they are. And I'm just gonna drag them over. And there it is, all the videos that we need. Okay, so right here, this is all the videos that we just recorded. Not to mention this one we're recording at this very moment, which I will move over when we start editing. So guys, just like that, that is how you record a video absolutely for free using only what you have on hand. It's how you upload it, get it ready for editing. If you want to watch and learn how to edit the absolute basics of editing in DaVinci Resolve for free, be sure to click the link, be up here on the top left or on that side. And I also have a link down in the description if it's out. If it's not out yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you'll know next time I release the video, and you can continue on this series and get your YouTube journey started and make your streams bomb on a budget. I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you. Oh, I'm an idiot. I just cocked myself. I was trying to heal myself. Oh, I'm dead. Oh my God.